In this video, I'll be making a fried chicken sandwich. I've been trying different things for several months to get it the way I want it, and this one came out really great. I start by making homemade burger buns. It's not my recipe, and I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check it out. I've recently realized how easy it is to make homemade, absolutely delicious pickles. I slice a cucumber and put the slices in glass jars. To make the pickling liquid, I combine 100 milliliters of water, 100 milliliters of white vinegar, 50 milliliters of sugar and 5 milliliters of salt. I bring it to a boil and add a bunch of turmeric and chili flakes. Then I just pour the liquid into the glass jars and we're done. I keep these in the fridge for a few weeks. They usually run out fast because they're so delicious on almost everything. I prepare a sliced chicken breast by adding salt and letting it sit in the fridge for a few hours. To season my flour, I use oregano, ancho chili powder, chipotle chili powder, onion powder, black pepper, garlic powder and smoked paprika powder. I also add some salt, not too much since the chicken is already salted. I make a wet mixture consisting of an egg and some milk. I then take some of my flour mixture and add it to the wet mixture. I add the chicken to the flour mixture and try to get the flour to coat the whole surface of every piece of chicken. I then dip the chicken in the wet mixture, back into the flour mixture and repeat this 3 times. I eventually end up with a heavily breaded piece of chicken that will be plenty crispy. While the chicken is hanging out in the flour mixture, I prepare some other components. That includes finely shredded lettuce, shredders. It also includes an aromatic chili powder that will be turned into a chili oil after the chicken has been fried. To the chili powder, I add grated garlic and some honey. I also add some mayo to a small bowl. I fry the chicken in sunflower and rapeseed oil preheated to somewhere between 170 and 180 degrees Celsius for about 7 minutes. I also probe the chicken with a thermometer to make sure the inside is fully cooked. While the oil is still super hot, I add it to my bowl of chili powder. I give that a mix and place the chicken in the bowl. I add some lemon juice to the party and then try to coat the chicken as much as possible with the delicious chili oil. I also add some of the chili oil to the small bowl of mayo to create a fast but very delicious chili mayo. The time has finally come to assemble this sandwich. I start by slicing one of my homemade burger buns in half. I then spread a layer of my chili mayo on both the bottom and the top of the bun. I place 4 pickles on the bottom of the bun before adding a generous amount of my shredders on top of the pickles. I coat the chicken with the chili oil one last time before placing it on top of the shredders. I close it up by placing the top of the bun on top of the chicken before squeezing it firmly. This was a really good sandwich. What made it really good was the balance between the spicy, savory chicken, the sweetness of the honey and the acidity from the pickles and the lemon juice. This is good. I've been working on this recipe And this was the best one so far. The chicken is still crispy, and the flavors.